Hello all, let's continue the political history of Shathavahana dynasty. I am continuing from Shathakarni 1 onwards. I have already discussed in the earlier video about Shathakarni 1. Shathakarni 1 is the son of Simukam. His wife is Naganika. She issued Nanagat inscription. In this, victories of Shathakarni 1 and Simuka are mentioned. Coming to the titles of Shathakarni 1, he is known as Dakshina Padapati, Ekavira, Apratihara Chakra, Shura, and etc. I have already explained in the earlier video about Shathakarni 1 titles. Coming to the contemporary rulers of Shathakarni 1, there are three main contemporary rulers of Shathakarni 1. They are Pushyamitra Sunga, Karavela, Demetrius. Sunga, who belongs to Sunga dynasty, had rivalry with Shathakarni I. After defeating Pushyamitra Sunga, Shathakarni I issued Ujjaini town symbol coins, which are appeared in Jogultambi, which is present in today's Maharashtra. I have already very clearly explained about the coins issued by Shathavahana dynasty rulers. If you haven't watched the video, please do check out. It is in the Telangana History Shathavahana's playlist. Next, coming to Karavela, he belongs to Kalinga dynasty. Sorry, I didn't said Pushyamitra Sunga where he belongs. He belongs to Magadha region. Coming to Karavela, he belongs to Chedi dynasty, and the founder of Chedi dynasty is Mahameghavahana. Founder is Mahameghavahana. During the rivalry between Karavela and Shathakarni I, Karavela destroyed Pitunda Nagaram, which is present today's Guntupalli region. We get all this through Hathigumpha inscription. About the Hathigumpha inscription, I have already clearly explained in the inscriptions video of Shathavahana dynasty. If you haven't watched, please do check out. But according to Chulla Kalinga Jatakam, Shathakarni I defeated Kalinga king and expanded kingdom towards east. Next, coming to Demetrius, who is Indo-Greek king, belongs to northwest India. All these three are the very important contemporary rulers of Shathakarni I. Coming to the administration, Shathakarni I is very good administrator and he followed decentralization of administration, which means dividing and ruling the kingdom. He divided the kingdom into state, district and village. During the Shathakarni I period, state is called as Ahara, district Vishaya, village Grama. I forgot writing the A letters. Sorry. State, which is known as Ahara, is headed by Amatya, who is also known as Mahamatya. And district, which is known as Vishaya, is headed by Vishayapati. Village, Grama, which is headed by Gramini. Next, after Shathakarni I, the Shathavahana dynasty was ruled by his son Purnotsunga. His original name is Vedasri. Purnotsunga original name is Vedasri. He suppressed Sunga dynasty. During Purnotsunga period, Karavela destroyed Mushika city. This come through Hathigumpha inscription, which was issued by Kalinga ruler Karavela. And after Purnotsunga, Shathavahana dynasty was ruled by Skandastambi. He is a weak ruler. And there is nothing much to learn about him, so I am not explaining about him. Next, coming to Shathakarni II. He is the one who ruled the Shathavahana dynasty for longest period. He administered about 56 years. Coming to his title, he is known as Dakshina Padapati. and his court poet is Vashishtaputra Ananda. Who? Vashishtaputra Ananda. And he built a gateway to southern side of Sanchi Stupa. Sanchi Stupa is also a kind of inscription which was established by the greatest ruler of Mauryan dynasty, Ashoka. We are already discussed that Shatavahanas were the feudatories of Mauryans. Coming to the rivalries during Shathakarni II are, he had rivalry with Sakas, Magadha, which is present in Patliputra. Shathakarni II annexed Vidisha, the second capital of Sungas. And this come through Gargi Samhita. Gargi Samhita is the book which was written by the author Garga. After Shathakarni II, Shatavahana dynasty was ruled most by the weak rulers, and they are Lambodara, Apilaka, Meghaswati, Swati, Skandaswati, Mrugendra. Next, I'll continue about the other rulers of Shatavahana dynasty in our next video.